How to restore ribbon toolbar in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then at the top right, you'll find this arrow facing downwards. Simply click on it and it will bring all your ribbons. But if you don't find your options in here and you don't find the arrow, what you can do is it is this way, then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Customize. After that, click on Reset All Changes at the bottom left. After you do that, everything will be reset and press on Save at the bottom right. And then you're good to go. This is how to restore ribbon toolbar in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.